I love Halos de Jupiter, lush, black cherry and herby flavors that finish with a bit of white pepper spice. This charming Côte du Rhône is balanced and never overpowers. I serve this when I'm snacking on olive tapenade while grilling meats in any season. Let's face it, no wine list would be complete without Bordeaux. Château de Camarsac over-delivers. It's smooth and complex with blackberry, raspberry and strawberry flavor from start to finish. This classic Bordeaux blend really shines when sharing the stage with a sharp cheddar or a grilled flank steak.
What is not to love about New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc? It is some of my favorite wine to drink, and Giant Sky delivers. It has great crisp notes of tropical fruit. It has some great acidity, which by the way is a very good thing to have in a crisp white wine. This wine pairs beautifully with appetizers, light foods, salads, some of my favorite foods to eat. It's a real people pleaser. You open this bottle and everyone will enjoy it. Cheers! I love to sip Il Duca and Pure Red. It has great red berry flavors to it, a little touch of sweetness, and it's perfect slightly chilled. It goes wonderfully with a cheese board or even simple as some fruits. It's perfect to open it up when you have guests over. And honestly, it's like having your favorite guest. Easy to have around and they're always up for anything. Cheers.
I love this Italian Red by Stefano Chioccioli because he takes a holistic approach to winemaking, crafting the beauty and the sustainability of his wines. Laurate Nero d'Avola bursts from the glass with flavors of red berry and fine tannins that don't let go but come in for a soft landing.
I'm just gonna say it, Josh is one of the smoothest bourbon barrel cabs that I've ever tasted. From the first sip to the last, it has this great blackberry, dark fruit flavors. Then you mix in the vanilla and spice that you really get from the bourbon barrels that it's aged in. It pairs wonderfully for myself with a mushroom burger, and for my friends that eat red meat, it pairs wonderfully with a steak. It is a perfect wine to bring to your next barbecue, or if you're hosting a barbecue, have it ready to go with your friends. Yum.
La Colline Pinot Noir really won me over with its silky smoothness, soft tannin, and luscious red berry and cherry flavor. Whenever anything Italian is on my menu, La Colline is on my table. Seriously? I'm thinking lasagna tonight. This light body Sauvignon Blanc is brimming with grapefruit and melon flavor. Oh la la, it's a great value too. Chateau Monté is a true reflection of Sauvignon Blanc from the Bordeaux region. I love to sip it as an aperitif and pair it with anything comes out of the sea.
Amici started as a passion project between friends and grew beyond their wildest imagination. In fact, this cab tastes like it was made by close friends who love what they do. Dark and red fruit combine with a nice silky smooth texture, with well-integrated tannins that hold it together nicely. I love it with a great ribeye and good friends, of course.
Samuel Roberts is a delicious, fresh and fruity dry rosé that rises to any occasion. I love the flavors of strawberry and red plums in this Willamette Valley beauty. It's made with Pinot Noir grapes, so it's delicate enough for light salads, yet intense enough to balance out buttery seafood dishes.
Where to start with this easy drinking and delicious Chardonnay? First, take lots of tropical fruit notes. Think pineapple, guava, and mango. Add oak to give it backbone and combine it with old world winemaking traditions, and you've got an out of this world wine that pairs with everything on your table.
Domaine Loubjac is truly a fantastic value. This Pinot Noir from the renowned Willamette Valley is aromatic, energetic, and rich with elegant red berry flavors. It's on a regular rotation at my house, especially when herb roasted chicken is on the menu.
Serene Cuvée tastes as opulent and indulgent as the lifestyles of Russia's royalty. It's dry and crisp with lovely lime blossom aromas and citrus and peach flavors. Bonus, the gorgeous bottle is almost as impressive as what's inside.
Tesoro della Regina, or Treasure of the Queen, is a Pinot Grigio that definitely reigns. With flavors of green apples and Meyer lemons, the vibrant acidity and crisp finish really keep things lively. I love this when I'm serving oysters, lighter cheeses, lemony shrimp. Is anyone else hungry all of a sudden?
This wine blew me away. It's no surprise, because Moscoda Vineyards Unanime Malbec is made by Opie Sadler, a legendary winemaker from Argentina. It's luscious, full-bodied, and super juicy. With loads of red and black fruit flavors, it's never met a grilled steak or a roasted lamb that it didn't love.
I love saying Parcelica Chica Monastrell as much as I love drinking it. Oh my goodness, it's such a great wine, and it's highly rated under $15. You can't beat it. This wine has some great juiciness with some red fruit, dark fruit, and has that right amount of spice to it. It pairs wonderfully with a charcuterie board and great friends. Salud!
Just one sip of Butterknife and you'll be in Chardonnay heaven. Blended with grapes from California's best vineyards, it has notes of silky pear and baked apple for a buttery, melt-in-your-mouth taste that's dreamy with cream sauces on pasta or seafood. It's a great everyday Chardonnay.
The 1858 Red Blend is another gem from the Wagner family, who make the cult favorite Caymus Cabernet. This wine is a luscious and rich fruit bomb that's loaded with plum and cocoa flavors. I mean, wow, it's become my go-to for backyard barbecues. But it's so delicious on its own, I find myself opening up a bottle whenever friends are over.
This one had me at hello. Louis Bouillot Pearl de Vin Brut is a sparkling wine full of apple and pear flavors, with a creamy but dry finish. These bubbles are ready to take on any shellfish, blue cheese, or brunch. Tastes like champagne, but at half the price.
The number one wine is one heck of a charismatic cab. Carmen Gran Reserva is a masterpiece from Viña Carmen, 8-time Winery of the Year winner and maker of a family of 90-plus rated gems, like Gran Reserva Carmenere and Gran Reserva Pinot Noir. This cab is vibrant and rich that over-delivers on every level. Not only is it luscious with currants and blackberries and licorice, you won't find a better wine to go with braised short ribs and grilled vegetables, or a better bottle to impress without breaking your bank.